Hi Thomas, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about a Santa Fe. Well, I took the opportunity to pull this particular one up for you. Keep in mind, we've got different colors, different packages to choose from. If you'll come to the back, first of all, you'll see it's got the very sporty alloy wheels. The seats do recline, as well as ample room for 3 passengers. Now up on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got your volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. You've got the buttons here that toggle through your back display. Now this particular package also comes with a panoramic sunroof, navigation, backup camera, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months, auxiliary, iPod, USB, heated and cooled front seats. But I want to tell you the most important thing, Theresa, that is the America's best warranty. There's a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Or you may reach me on my cell at 205-907-4700. I am your personal sales associate. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Again, my name is Shannon Coward. Thank you, Theresa.